everybody, today we'll be talking about place value in very large numbers and rounding whole numbers. 8-digit numbers are in the tens of millions. The number is huge. The digit furthest to the left is the 10 million. It is set as 74,259,386. Okay, so we will break this number up and then you can understand more easily. So this 7 is the 10 millions, this 4 is the millions, this 2 is the 100,000s, this 5 is the 10,000s, this 9 is the thousands, this 3 is the hundreds, this 8 is the tens, this 6 is the ones. Put spaces before the last 3 digits and the last 6 digits to make it easier to read. You can partition it into this number, like break it up into this number, this. Like you can break it up and then you can understand more easily. Examples. In January, the planet Zog is about 9,402,640 miles from the sun. Write this out as a number. So, I'll make you. Okay. Well, there's no homework. But I won't make you do this. Just get the idea from this. This is 9,402,000. So the zero is nothing. It has no value. So we just say 402,000. And for this, we just say 640 miles. Put a greater than or less than in the box. Make this correct. I have this much and this much. The first 2 digits are the same. The 10,000th digit is larger in the second number, so the answer is this. So it's this. This should go right here. So it is 1,420,000 and 322. Okay, so I might do this. But I'll explain this in the. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. I'll explain this now. Actually, so put these numbers in ascending order. So this number. So these type of numbers. 4,509,000 and 460 and then these two numbers here. The millions digit is smaller in the second number, so that number will be first. So this number, this one. So where's that? This thing will come here, and then the millions digit is the same in the first and the third numbers. So move on to the hundred thousands digit. So it goes here now. The hundred thousand digit is the smallest in the third number, so that the number will come next. Oh, sorry. So I guess this number. So okay. So we're still working on this number, not these two. So we're working on this, and like the hundred thousands, it'll go here. So this is the 100,000 digit. This is the millions digit. The first number comes least in the list. So this is the answer. Okay, now we'll be going to this page. Rounding whole numbers. You might have to round to a number to the nearest 10, 100, or 1,000. The rounding rules. Number 1. Then the number lines between two possible answers. You have to decide which one it's nearer to. Look at the digit to the right. the place rounding to. You're rounding to. The decider. So this thing. So if you round to the nearest thousand, the decider is the hundredth digit. 3. If the decider is 5 or more, then round up. So if the decider is less than 5, round down. Okay, so if it's 5 or more, climb. So like keep in mind this this phase. 5 or more, climb the ladder. Less than 5. Less than 5, let it rest. Here it's a 5. So you'd need to round up to 4,000. Okay, so we'll be looking at this. So this is the thousandth digit. This is the hundredth digit. This is the this is the tenth digit. This is the ones digit. So if you're rounding to the nearest thousand, you have to first look at the decider, and then decide whether it's 5 or more. So it's 5. So it has to go. So this has to go to 4, and then these three numbers all have to go to all have to cut to 0. Like 4 here, 0, 0, 0. I'll explain this more in some of the future videos too. So, and if you're rounding to the nearest 100, and you have to look at the 10th digit. So the 10th digit is 5 or more, it's 6, and then the 6, and then the 100th digit has changed to 6. So these two, so the 10th and 1st digit cuts to 0. And also, if you're looking at the 10th digit, you have to see whether this one is 5 or more or less. So it's less, so let it rest. Like this, the numbers still say the same, but the 1st digit is turning this 1 turns to 0. If you want to round to the next number before after, like imagine there's a number there. If you want to round to ones, you have to make a 4-digit number. Lasso list. The pest catcher trapped this much. I don't have to read it. Sorry. Insects in one day. How many is this much insects in the nearest thousand? This number is between this number and this number. The decider is 4, so round down to 68. So 608,000. I'm gonna remind you that. In an insect outbreak, giant insects caught 1,235 people. How many insects is 1,235 to the nearest 10? 1,235 is between 1,230 and 1,240. The decider is 5, so round up to 1,240. After the outbreak, Lasso caught this much insects. How many is this much to the nearest 10 million? This number is between 40 million, I think, and 50 million. The decider is 1, so round down to 40 million. Well, that's the end of the lesson today, guys. The next lesson I will explain more about this topic. So, bye guys.